Hi everyone, Nishka here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com with another fun unboxing for you today. But before I get started, go ahead and check out the rest of our channel. And if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you always know when we're posting new content. So Eagle Eye viewers might be wondering why we're doing an unboxing in the middle of the month when we've already done one for the collection this month. Well, I'm here to tell you we are launching a brand new type of collection here at Eureka. It's very, very exciting. We've been working on lots of ideas. So one thing that we heard from a lot of customers is that sometimes our collections can be so big and have so many things in them, they're not really sure what to do with all those beads. It can be a bit overwhelming, especially if you're a beginner or you're someone who already has so many beads in their stash that they haven't even touched, and you don't want to add a whole lot more new stuff, even though it's really beautiful and they're matching and beautiful colors. And we do have a lot of projects that use the beads, but maybe not all of them. Well, so what we're doing now is we are launching Eureka Crystal Beads Collection LITE. LITE, as in lighter version. It is going to be a smaller selection of beads. It's going to be just as beautiful, just as high quality, perfectly picked and matched, but you will have fewer things in it, and it's going to be a lot more focused on specific projects that you can do with it, and less opportunity for you to be creative with random other additions. So if that's something you're interested in and want to check it out, absolutely stick around and see what is going to be in our first Eureka Crystal Beads Collection LITE. All right, let's take a look. Beautifully packaged as always. We do take pride in making sure that our collections are nice to open and just fun to have, and of course make excellent gifts. Okay, and ta-da! If you recall, Emerging Spring was our first collaboration with Bronzepony. This collection was so gorgeous, and Stephanie made so many beautiful projects. We decided, let's redo the collection, but in a light version. So this collection is going to have all of the same beautiful colors. It's just going to be smaller than the original collection was. And we made sure that we have all of the items that you need to make items from Stephanie's Spring Rain series. So that's going to be a necklace, and that's going to be some earrings. So all of those projects already exist on Stephanie's channel. Plus, she will be making new projects with the items in this collection. So stay tuned for that and make sure you check out her channel because she is a master of gorgeous, gorgeous designs. So if you're loving spring colors, this is what we've got going on here. Now, if you have run over to our website and you are looking at this collection on the site, you're going to notice that this LITE collection is roughly the same price as some of our full-size collections, and that is true. But this is a light version of a Stephanie collection. And as you may or may not know, Stephanie collections tend to be almost twice as big as regular collections. So, in comparison to a regular Stephanie collection, this one is light. But our other light versions that we'll have coming out in the next few months, they'll be even smaller and even more affordable. So just stay tuned and take a look at what kinds of things we're going to be doing, because there's going to be a lot of variation and a lot of variability in what we're offering, just so that everyone can have a little bit of a collection, even if it's outside of your price range to get these all the time. Look at all this stuff. This is definitely smaller than the original Emerging Spring, but it's a lot of stuff. So let's go through everything one at a time. So again, we have our beautiful image. We're not gonna skimp on these. These are, it looks like crocuses in the spring, first flowers who come up. Next, we have this beautiful paragraph that inspires you to really get in the mood, think about your creativity, think about where you get your inspiration from. And these are the colors and the ideas that inspired Stephanie to come up with this color palette. And of course, as always, we have our full list. We were thinking about getting rid of this paper just to save on some packaging, but we did ask a bunch of people in our Facebook group, the Beaders Nook, and we decided not to because it turns out you all really like this list. So we're going to keep it. And if you want to be part of future ideas for Eureka, or how we do things, or how we change things, make sure you're part of our Beaders Nook, because we really do take into account feedback from there. So as always, we have the SKUs listed here, and the item numbers correspond to numbers on the packaging. And you just have to type this right into the search bar at eurekacrystalbeads.com, and you will pull up the exact item that you've got. All right, I'm gonna put that aside and on to the beads. All right, as is typical, the first 5 items are seed beads. These are all Miyukis. Stephanie loves Miyukis, and we're doing Miyukis. So, as always with the Miyuki tubes, they're not always going to be full. They're sold by weight. So if you see some empty room, that's not a problem. The first one, beautiful, beautiful gold. The first 2 actually. We have these round seed beads in 15.0 and 11.0. These are 10 grams each, and they are so beautiful. I love, love, love this gold. And of course, super versatile. You can use it with everything. And of course, we have this really, really gorgeous saturated metallic blue color. It's just stunning. Again, this is an 11.0 round Miyuki seed bead, and this is also a 10-gram tube. So there's 10 grams of beads in each of these tubes. Then on to our beads in zip bags, we have delicas. So these are 11.0 delicas, and it's 4 grams in each package. And again, you have this really beautiful blue periwinkle-y color. It's just pulling right from this crocus colors in here. And then a lovely, lovely neutral. And this is a nice cream color. So you get 2 more colors right there. Right, next is our Czech beads. So we have 2 strands of round pressed glass Drucka beads. They are in the same color, so you have that option in 2 sizes. And these are 3mm and 4mm. You get 100 beads on each strand. Really beautiful. Again, very neutral, brownish, bronzish color, metallic-y, feeling as it's kind of a cool tone to it rather than a warm one. So it's very, very, very nice. Versatile. And then we come to our super duos. Love this satin finished color. This is Pearl Coat Baby Blue. It's gorgeous. And this one is another super duo in this metallic bronzy color. This has got a lot of gold, yellowy sort of warmth in it. So again, you have 2 tubes of super duos and going very well matched with the rest of these colors here. Next 2 items on our list are ELITE Crystal Fancy Stones. So you get 2 of the 14 millimeter pair fancy stones in this gorgeous saturated blue colors. And you also get one really big 18 millimeter fancy stone. Don't they just sparkle? Oh, they're amazing. And these are gorgeous, gorgeous facets. These are our ELITE Eureka Crystal fancy stones. These are made in Austria. They are precision cut. They have stunning coatings. This is our highest level of quality when it comes to our stones. And you cannot go wrong with the ELITE Eureka crystals. They're just too perfect. Oh, look at that. Look at those cuts. Ah, my God. So beautiful. Yeah, this might be a light collection meant to be smaller and more affordable, but we are not skimping on the quality in here. You have full brands. This is ELITE, you have Miyuki, you have Delicas, you have Super Duos. There isn't any knockoffs in here for you guys. Our next crystal variety are these beautiful 8mm chatons. You are getting 6 of these in this beautiful white opal color. These are our Krakovski Crystal. So this is also our own in-house brand. And these are our more affordable crystals. What you'll find the difference between these and, for example, the ELITE is that these can vary in color from batch to batch on occasion. Sometimes with the opals, the clarity isn't identical. So if you're looking for something that has a similarity to the natural opals, where the clarity really does vary from stone to stone, you can find that with the Krakovski crystals. And if you are needing something that is going to be exact from batch to batch, color matching, identical, then you're going to want to go with the ELITEs. That is the main draw of those guys. These are still so beautiful. It really depends on what you're looking for. And we're still going strong with crystal. Another different brand of crystal. These are Preciosa. So that is another brand name from the Czech Republic. The Preciosa company has been around for ages, and they're also well known for their quality. And these are a beautiful mix of 72 bicones in 4mm. And again, we pulled all the different colors out of here. You got some opals, you've got some green in here. There's some of this topazy color, everything that sort of goes with this selection of colors right there. And finally, our last set of crystal beads, we have here Chinese crystal. So these are rondelles, so they're like a squished bead. They have lots of really pretty facets. They're a little less precise than you would expect from something like a Preciosa bicone, but they are a wonderful staple to have in your tool belt. You can make lots of beautiful things with these, and they are always super, super sparkly. Look at that. This is a really pretty little finish here. You have this one very neutral. And then you have this beautiful light pale green with AB finish on it. And you are getting a lot of beads here. These are 3x2mm and nice long strands. Look at that. And of course, last but not least, we threw in some high quality findings. We have some connector links, some ear wires, and this really beautiful, unique hammered style bar and toggle clasp. This is from GleamCraft, and again, that is one of Eureka's own in-house brands. So GleamCraft findings, if you like this style or other ones, check it out because we have lots of cool new things coming from this brand. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of our inaugural Eureka Crystal Beads collection, LITE. And again, that is LITE. That's what you want to type into the search bar. And this is basically the size of our regular collection this time around. But as you know, with Stephanie, this is a miniaturization of the original Emerging Spring collection. It's got everything you need for a bunch of beautiful projects and more to come. And stay tuned for next month's LITE collection because we're going to have something even more limited in scope and also more affordable. So take a look, see what you like. You can also purchase all of these items separately. Our collections are not a subscription. You are not required to buy the whole thing. If you're only liking the seed beads and you're a seed beader, go to the collection page. You will see a list down below. It's got everything listed, and just pick up these things, add them to your cart, and boom, you're done. But if you want the full collection, the full experience, the full unboxing and opening and the image and everything like that, then go ahead and click buy on that collection before they're gone. Because these light ones are also going to be a little bit more limited in quantity. So check it out and get one today.